See, all Pakistan pins are here to remind you October 23. Well, never forget October 23. Yeah, it's a big day for my life. And I really like Shahid Afridi. And right now we have Shahid Afridi in our team, like Rashid Khan. I'm honest, yeah, I like Virat Kohli. Maybe I supported India for Virat Kohli. I hopefully Afghanistan win the three matches and I see in the semi-final with the Pakistan. Yeah, October 23. That's my happy day in my life, and I will never forget it. If I show you my see, all Pakistan pins are here to remind you October 23, and
So you are rooting for Pakistan today, but you are also teasing them that.
yeah, just remind them like we will never forget October 23. Yeah, it's a big day for my life, and I'm a honest man. I show you all things. Yeah, both team is I just want to see the cricket, and this is my first time I see cricket live and from the stadiums, and this is a very nice opportunity for all people who is living in Texas, and they came and they watched the World Cup, and that's a big opportunity for us, like.
So
Actually, before I was a child, I really like Shahid Afridi. And right now, we have Shahid Afridi in our team. Like Rashid Khan is the best player in the world, and he take the most wicket for Afghanistan, and he make a records for Afghanistan. And I really like that. And Afghanistan now is in a big stage, and they have a nice point. And I really happy for my team. And I wish I could they win the all matches and they came to America. I will support it all. Actually, I supported both teams. Which one is play well, and I support it. Cricket is a part of the like winning and losing, and you have to be patient. Maybe I watched this match also, and I'm really exhausted to see all matches and all World Cup matches in America. And we're big fans, bro. Actually, I like Virat Kohli. Yeah, I'm honest. Yeah, I like Virat Kohli. Maybe I supported India for Virat Kohli. Because he's a stylish player and he's play every time well, and he has big fans in the world, and he's very famous in the world, and that's why I like Virat Kohli, and he's a big player and he's in a big stage, and that's why I like Virat Kohli. Every time I see every single ball, and I'm waiting for the moments, and I watch them in the big stage, and I hopefully Afghanistan win the three matches, and I see in the semi-final with the Pakistan, and this will be very. I cannot explain you how how can this moment I can explain you, and this will be a big opportunity for us to see the all matches in the World Cup. Yeah.